The biological black box, the tailbone mystery. Imagine having a black box hidden inside you, one that doesn't burn, decay, or vanish even after death. In tech, we call it a master recovery file. 1400 years ago, Prophet Muhammad called it Ajb ul-Danab, the tailbone. Today, modern science is uncovering a chilling truth. Are we just biological data waiting for a system restore? In modern embryology, there's a miracle at day 15. The primitive streak emerges at the base of the spine. From this microscopic point, your heart, brain, and bones are organized. Science calls this area the organizer. If it disappears, the design fails. Isn't it striking that ancient texts said, "From it, mankind is created"? In the last century, researchers like Hans Driesch and later Chinese scientists tried to destroy this core element through boiling and extreme radiation. The result? The genetic code remained intact. Just like a hard drive holding data even when the casing is smashed. The tailbone is a divine flash drive, a cloud backup of your entire existence. A digital resurrection. Atheists ask, how can we return once we become dust? The answer comes from Silicon Valley. If a human programmer can recover a deleted file from a broken drive using binary remnants, why doubt the supreme programmer? Resurrection isn't magic, it's data restoration, re-downloading your stored information to regrow your body like a seed after rain.
But it goes deeper than just rebuilding the body. Modern breakthroughs in DNA data storage prove that a single gram of DNA can store 215 petabytes of data. This suggests that the tailbone doesn't just hold your physical map, it might hold your life archive. Every word, every emotion, and every action could be encoded in this indestructible streak. In computing, nothing is truly lost if it's stored in the kernel. In creation, the tailbone is the hardened kernel that death cannot delete. Is resurrection, then, simply a keystroke to restore human consciousness from the divine archive?
You are not fading matter, you are an eternal time code. The tailbone is the Creator's signature on the immortality of your soul. Do you see DNA as a language that requires a source? Subscribe to Time Codes. The truth is closer than you think.